The shift to stage 5 COVID guidelines makes recommended behavior for people very clear. What about businesses? KXAN's Grace Reeder joining us live outside of Waterloo Records in downtown Austin. That is one of the many local businesses that's switching things up now. Grace, what are they doing there differently?
Well, the biggest change is going to be capacity here. They're now only allowing 40 people inside the store at a time. All of their other recommendations you're going to find as you hit the door, and those have been in place for several months now. Those include wearing your mask. If you don't remember one, they will give you one at the door. People are asked to social distance, and there's hand sanitizer right as you walk in. Waterloo says people following these rules is critical for them to stay open as breakthrough cases become more common. They've had around 15% of their staff test positive over the holidays.
There have been some people that have grumbled about it, and there have been some people that have been less than nice about it. There have been some people that have refused to shop in our store because we required a mask. And it's unfortunate, but if that's the way they feel, we feel like we have the perfect option for them, which is shopping with us online.
So what do health leaders recommend businesses do? Today, Dr. Desmar Walk said they should be requiring masks, staff should be masked, there should be social distancing, and people should be given the option to shop curbside or to go whenever possible. The mayor and the Chamber of Commerce saying today that it's not just Waterloo who is having staff test positive and therefore having staffing issues. They say it is really up to the people of Austin to make sure that our economy stays up and running. Reporting live from downtown Austin, I'm Grace Reeder, KXAN News.